Hey guys, welcome to Handy channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Simply go to settings and click on privacy search and services. From here, you have to scroll down and you will find the address bar and search settings there. Click on it and guys, there you're gonna see the search engine settings. As you can see, Bing is now the default search engine. I'm going to show you how you can change it. You can simply change it from here, from Bing to Google. Once done, simply search anything on your main search bar in the Microsoft Edge, and now you're gonna see. So guys, that's how you can change the search engine in Microsoft Edge. That's all in this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.